and this is a tutorial to show you how you can combine two videos with QuickTime Player. Of course, if you have a Macintosh computer, this won't work on a Chromebook or a Windows computer, but if you are lucky enough to have a Mac, then this will work. So I'm just going to exit out of my slideshow, and I'm going to hold down the Command key and press the space bar. That's going to bring up Spotlight, and I can start to type QuickTime, and then I can launch the QuickTime Player, and this is the last little thing that I had open. So QuickTime Player lets me go to the File menu and choose a new movie recording. And so I'm going to do two quick little recordings here. So I'm just going to say, hey everybody, this is my first recording. And so here's a little 2-second recording. And I'm going to export this to the desktop. And I'll put a link below this video in the description about how to create these no edit videos. But basically I'm just going to call this one, I'll make a little folder for myself. I'm going to call it video examples, and we'll call this one video 1, and then I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to just close this. I've already exported it, so I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to make another one because I want to combine both of these. So I'll wave. Hello everyone, this is video number 2. And so now, same process. I'm going to say export as. It's going to be in that folder. This one is going to be called video 2. All right, and then I'm going to close this up. Okay, and now let's take a look at our desktop. So I want to actually look at where those files are. Got a couple things open here. So here's my desktop, and I've got video examples, this folder, and here are my two files. All right, so what I want to do is I want to combine both of these. So the steps are, number one, it's nice to have them in the same folder so you know exactly where they are. And I'm going to open the first one, and then I'm going to choose to add the second one. So when I double click this, it opens up in QuickTime Player. This is video 1. Now I can go up to Edit and choose Add Clip to the End. Then I have to browse and find it. Well, it's going to start in my same folder. And so there's video 2. So when I choose it, it just puts it right there at the end. And when I click done, voila, this is a combined 6-second masterpiece. But this could be as long as it needs to be. But I have to do the same thing I was doing before to save it. I'm going to go up to File, Export As, and choose 720. And then I'm going to say combined video and make sure I've got the location where I want. This is fine. I'm saving it on my desktop inside that folder. So now when I take a look, I've got 3 videos in here. I've got my first video, which is 2 seconds long there. Let's save this because I've already saved it. My second video was 4 seconds long, so hopefully our combined video is 6 seconds. And it is. It has both of them. So this combined video is the one that I will share, either by putting it in my Google Drive, or I can upload it to YouTube, or I could just directly upload it in Seesaw or wherever I'm working. So hope that is helpful to you. Remember that you can find additional resources about technology support on our website, support.cassidy.org.